Westermans here again with some new stock which has just arrived. Miller Big Blue 500X diesel welders. These have got the Deutsch engines in. Will actually be sold fully serviced or possibly sold as is. Obviously 500 amps, suitable for gouging. Stick. Can be supplied in the frames or removed from the frames. Here we have also arrived some Big Blue 500X Eco Pro 110 volts and 220/240 volts. Smaller machine, but still 500 amps. Both are water-cooled engines. Find one where I can drop the door down. On these we've got a Mitsubishi engine. Again, water cooled. All will be fitted with new batteries and sold fully serviced if required. Like I say, more details available on Westermans.com on these and other welding plants that's in stock, which are obviously also electric. Thank you for looking.